Warmest greetings to all my incredible subscribers and new viewers alike. We extend a warm welcome to you as we discuss and analyze public eProcurement in this video. The term public eProcurement, electronic procurement in the public sector, refers, in Singapore, Ukraine, Europe and Canada, to the use of electronic means in conducting a public procurement procedure for the purchase of goods, works or services. eProcurement, compared to normal procurement, allows greater transparency, better competition and easier communication for all parties. In this chapter, we'll be unraveling the enigma benefits of public eProcurement and discovering its transformative power. Benefits of public eProcurement can differ from benefits of electronic purchasing in private sector. Government's objective is not only cost efficiency but also obtaining the best value for money because of a high impact of public procurement on the market and the society. Commonly discussed benefits of the eProcurement in the public sector are as follows. Transaction cost reduction. Electronic automation of processes is supposed to replace various phases of procurement processed manually. It can significantly reduce wage costs, printing costs, and make communication much easier for both contractor and supplier. There have been various studies estimating these cost savings. Potential administrative cost savings estimates are between 58–70% in IT purchase. Barriers to entry reduction. Electronic auction is a significant factor increasing the probability that the tender will be awarded to a SME company. It is also a significant factor increasing amount of offers in the tender. These aspects might be caused by smaller requirements of electronic tenders on the company's capacity. Corruption control. eProcurement is considered to be a suitable tool to prevent corruption as it can make tender process easier to monitor. Electronic tools are also believed to reduce amount of mistakes or errors made by humans involved. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore phases from a different angle. The term of the electronic public procurement can be defined as the usage of e-government platform over the electronic resources, internet and web-based applications to conduct transactions for purchasing the products and services from suppliers to authorities buyers. The following subphases of the electronic public procurement process could be identified. Sourcing. Preparatory activities conducted by the contracting authority entity to collect and reuse information for the preparation of a call. Potential bidders may be contacted, if admitted by the legal rules, by electronic means to provide quotations or manifest interest. Noticing. Advertisement of calls for tenders through the publication of appropriate contract notices in electronic format in the relevant official journal nationally. Electronic access to tender documents and specifications as well as additional related documents are provided in a non-discriminatory way. EACHIS, electronic access to tender documents and specifications as well support to economic operators for the preparation of an offer, e.g. clarifications, questions and answers. Submission of offers in electronic format to the contracting authority entity, which is able to receive, accept and process it in compliance with the legal requirements. Tendering, the union of the EACHIS and submission phases. Yielding, opening and evaluation of the electronic tenders received, and award of the contract to the best offer in terms of the lowest price or economically most advantageous bid. A contract, conclusion, enactment and monitoring of a contract agreement through electronic means between the contracting authority entity and the winning tenderer. Orders, preparation and issuing of an electronic order by the contracting authority entity and its acceptance by the contractor. Order status, preparation and delivery of status information against the order. Invoicing, preparation and delivery of an invoice in electronic format. A payment, electronic payment of the ordered goods, services or works. In this part of the video, we'll be diving deep into invoicing and unraveling its profound impact. Invoicing allows an invoice to be sent and received by the customer electronically. Invoicing is currently defined in multiple ways. A simple search finds 3 simple variations: an invoice issued, received and processed electronically, an invoice sent by electronic means to the recipient, and an invoice received by the customer electronically. Driving a single strategy requires a single definition, a common language. The best definition should be customer-centric. The same common language divides the tiers of invoicing based on cash management impacts. Tier 3 reduces delivery time, e.g. email delivery of versions of invoices. Tier 2 reduces delivery time and digitize the data for easier management by customers, e.g. electronic files, XML, EDI, flat, etc., which match the seller's sales invoice. Tier 1 reduces delivery time, digitize data and reduces reconciliation time, e.g. electronic files, XML, ED, flat, etc., which match the customer's purchase order or web invoicing solutions. Let's zoom in on enabling systems and understand its implications. To successfully conduct electronic procurement across borders, eProcurement systems rely on some key enablers: signature, data in electronic form which are attached to or logically associated with other electronic data and which serve as a method of authentication with regard to this data. Identity, dynamic collection of all attributes in electronic format related to a specific entity, citizen, enterprise, or object which serve to ascertain a specific identity. Attestations, virtual company dossier, set of certificates and attestations in electronic format to be provided by a supplier to prove compliance with the selection and exclusion criteria of a procurement procedure. E-catalogues, electronic supplier catalog prospect used to prepare and submit offers or parts of them. Achieving use of electronic means for long-term preservation of documents in digitalist format, ensuring that they can be easily retrieved without conversions. As we move forward, let's uncover the untold stories and fascinating intricacies of Portugal. Beginning in 2009, Portugal implemented mandatory use of electronic systems for public procurement. The government has continued to utilize more pilot programs to continue the implementation of the program in Portugal and to establish the e-procurement process until the contract is awarded in a public procurement deal. Brace yourself for a captivating discussion on Ukraine as we explore its nuances and implications. In Ukraine, the government established the ProZorro system in 2014. It was a major innovation for the government as they switched to a more transparent e-procurement system based on open procurement platform. Turning our focus to Germany, let's explore its key elements. In Germany, e-procurement solutions must be used for many public procurement procedures. The data generated by these solutions is rarely analyzed because of the complexity of the technological environment, the need to improve visibility of procurement information and enhance systematic data collection. For instance, the Bundesrechnungshef admonished that the German Defense Ministry procured 84% of its goods and services outside of its designated e-procurement system in 2013. Stay connected and join our community by subscribing and following me on other platforms.